Okay, here's the situation. When do we use distance formula? When do we use Pythagorean theorem? Honestly, you could use either one of them. In this situation, we have a husband and wife leaving their house for work. He's traveling 8 miles west, then 3 south. She travels 4 miles east, and then 6 north. How far apart do they work? So I'm going to show you how to use both situations, the distance formula and Pythagorean theorem. First, I'll do distance. So first I want to figure out, okay, he's traveling 8 west, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 3 south. So he is at this location, which would be the coordinates -8, -3. She goes 4 east, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 north. I need one more tick mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up here to 6, that location would be 4 and 6. We use the distance formula, which would be x minus x, -8 minus 4 squared plus -3 minus 6. Remember, you got to subtract your x values and subtract your y values. Then square each one, add that together, take the square roots. Okay, if I were to type this all into a calculator, or even if I worked it all out by hand, what I'm going to get as a final answer is 15. Okay, so the distance is 15. Now, if I go ahead here and use the Pythagorean theorem and I did the same thing, and I come to these coordinates, -8, -3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up here to 6, what I could do rather than using the coordinates is simply come straight down and straight across, creating a right angle, and using the Pythagorean theorem. I just have to count up my spaces. When I count across here, I'm going to count 12 spaces, 12 tick marks. And then when I count up here, I'm going to count 9 spaces, or 9 tick marks. Then I could turn around and use the Pythagorean theorem. I'm looking for the hypotenuse, side C. So I would say a squared plus b squared is going to end up equaling c squared. That's why we square rooted this side. And we're going to get the same answer. You see, over here, -3 minus 6, -9. But if you square that, you're going to get a positive answer, same like you would here. -8 minus 4, -12. But if you square that, you're getting the same answer as you would over here. Distance formula and Pythagorean theorem essentially are the same exact thing.